All right, in Ross, $49.99. Look, we have Harley Davidson. Okay, that is like a pretty good find for 50 bucks, guys. And then here is the back. That is like really cool. This one is 50, more Harley Davidson, just a different style. So you gotta look at Ross. Gotta look at Ross. Do not sleep on the Ross. $14. Let's see. This is an oversized hoodie. It's like really wide though. This one is just originals. It says 13. No idea. Twilight. I was like, what does that say? Twilight. And these like camo ones. They are 10 here. You have a, snuggle one. Let's see. Together Forever. 17. Let's watch horror movies. Ghostface. $12.99. A lot of Chucky. Los Angeles, there's so many. 15. More originals. Howdy. Here's the back. Howdy. Superman. Okay, 14. I'm kind of gonna browse through here. Let's see, these like $11.99. I Love Me, and you get like a little mini notebook. And these are $11.99. We got a green one, Dr. Pepper. A lot of zip ups too. Betty Boop for 19. I wish this was a hoodie though, because there's a bag. That'd be cute if it was a hoodie. New York. This one's 14. Spider-Man. This one's $18.99. Then here's the backs in the girl department. So we got Spider-Man. $11.99. We just seen Howdy. Yeah. And I feel like no matter what size you're going for, they all have like the same stuff. Yeah. I'm just a girl. She's coming to the Dome, the Las Vegas 14, but like, just gonna be real. I mean, I know her voice is different. This is DC shoe one, and that's 15. Let me go over here on this side. Oh, is this from Urban? Yeah, $8. The league champion. And $15.99. This one is really cute. It is $15.99. Then here's the back, says 98 on it. That's a cute one. These cardigans are really cute too. 9. Have this black sweatshirt. Let's see. Just some sweatshirts off the shoulder vibe. These are cute, and these do cost more in Tilly's and PacSun. $10.99. Yeah, this is cheaper than the one I got at TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx I spent $16. This is 11 here, but they don't have it in the size I need. Well, it's the green one. Okay. Sorry. Let's see. $11.99. It's like a star one. Here we go. Oops. Put that. Oh, come on. God's favorite. That's what it said. Cardigans. Here's a brown one. 14. Looks like off the shoulder sweater. $11.99. These stripe ones are $11.99. $11.99 for them. And the black one, which I think is cute, $12.99. And then let's see, Hurley in here. I'm gonna keep browsing. These are just the same ones we just seen. The star print, $11.99. That, and yeah, like more cardigans, $10.99. So let's get some repeat. I'm gonna skip on that. New York. We just saw that one. Just a Girl, like a long one. There's a brown stripe, so it's not the black and white one like over here, but they're thicker. The stripes are thicker. And this is $12.99. Man, I hate when they come off the hanger. Let me put that back on the hanger. Thank you. And then 15. This is Culture Couture. It's a long coat. And there is going to be a... Well, let me move that out of the way. Oh, I thought there was a brown one. Okay, so it's just in Marshall's. And they had this. This is how much here? Can I see the price? 17. Okay, in Marshall's this is 20. It was a light tan one. So saying I think these might be about the same price in at Ross, but no. So if you find it in Ross, it is a little cheaper. Not my first rodeo. These are back. These are pretty long though. Okay, I did find a tan one for 15. See that? And here's a black one. It's the open one. It's kind of like that felt color. This is 20 here. And a zip up at $12.99. Let's see, this one is 17. Okay. It's like an old lace one. It is a bodysuit, $10.99. We have the stripe. These are 7. Has a little horse here too in the corner. And $29.99. Oh yeah, these are cheaper here. Maybe not as long. Well, the one in Marshall's was kind of long. It's like $3 cheaper. They have a tan one. Look at these, 15. Okay, they found a nice Carl one. It's like a wool. I feel like my words come out different when I'm talking. And you know I don't edit. So some videos I edit, I have to. $23. This one is by Philosophy, you guys. It's gonna be $25. So if you're in the market for some fashion, check out Ross, $35. And I know Ross is like really busy. It's like one of those stores, a hit or miss. Maybe too many people. I totally get that. Because I'm like, oh, sometimes I'll come in Ross. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna look for me today. And then I leave because I can't do it. Too many people. And there's a lot of screaming kids. And I don't hate kids, but I feel like now there's like more screaming kids than ever. It's kind of weird. Okay, let's go ahead and look over here real quick. I'm trying to find more like coats and stuff. Blouses, Michael Kors. Here's like the collar for $25. See, like on this one says blessed on it. That's $15. Alright, a little bit of Halloween left. $8 right here. We have the ghost tote. What else? Yeah, just a little bit, not a lot. Oh wow, they did condense in this location. Other Rosses I've been into, they're like, they have so many. And we have a Snoopy, 17. Yeah, if you could find your Snoopy here and you like it, it's cheaper here. I mean, well, it's also 20 to like 25 in Homegoods too, and TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but they're a little cheaper here. Look at this Santa. This is $8. That's kind of cute, right? Merry Christmas. Okay, these are kind of cute. Okay, look at this, a mug. He's cute. He has $8. And then they got the banana one. This one's for the ghost with the banana head. There was like a ghost with a strawberry head too. Give me candy, it koala. Avocado. Banana. Kind of like goofy. Here's a Snoopy one. You have a cat.
Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, we have strawberry shortcake and Stitch Sale. We're gonna have that. I think these are like 10 here. It's a cute rooster. Ho ho ho. 7. Look at the doggy. This one's 8. The trees. I mean, there's a lot of cute fa la la. Like, look at this one. I like the vintage vibe. That's just like really cool. It stands out to me. Ooh, look at this tail. I like this because it's old fashioned. I like this one.
Oh yeah, I do too. That looks like
$14. Alright, this location is pretty stocked on Christmas. I want to say we've seen most of these gingerbread. We have a reindeer barn. $33. It does light up. And then the Santa one down here. And $29.99 we have the Spode. So I've been finding quite a bit of Spode in Ross. These drums are $18, like for this large one, $11.99. They are 10. These are cute, right? Like the collar. They have like, this one has like the gingerbread on it, and that has like the deer, snow. These are actually cool. They are 28. 28 here. A lot of snow globes. They all have little doggies in them. Okay, the penguin beaded one. You know what? This was in a different location and I couldn't find the price. 18 here. 18. The nutcracker guy, he is 100. And they have this in Homegoods too. This is 70 here, but the one in Homegoods was a lot larger. Maybe we could find that there. Oh look, they have the pink and pearl one. These are made in India. They're 18. More snow globe. Plenty. There's a lot of Snoopy. We have the Grinch. We got Max, Snoopy. They're $29.99 for Ross. And the gingerbread and the bears. This guy, he is 55. A new tree, 18. It does light up. Reminds me of something we had as a kid. Like my mom had this tree and it had like clay at the bottom. I remember I would always poke it. I don't know, it was a weird tree. I don't know what type of tree it was. These are like marble. Well, the base is marble. $11.99. They're nutcrackers. They are metal. So if you're looking for something like that, like I said before, Ross is your place. 18. All metal. Kind of lightweight though. Not as heavy. Yeah. I mean, you could use this for anything. Maybe put like a wreath around it. These little ornaments around it, like a table center. You can make one. 18, 17. More of the nutcracker. $21.99. And your tree right here. This one's $20. And this black one, I think it's so cool. I've never seen it in black. I would get this one too. 22. Which they had, well, you could find them in different Ross. The red one is a little different. I mean, 22 as well, same price, but it doesn't have like, see like the prism around the waist. It's just that. Oh my gosh. Now this one, just all in white. It is going to be 18 and then 13. Oh my gosh, make sure I put that back appropriately. 100 for the sleigh. Gingerbread guy, he is $12.99. Plenty of the Hello Kitty. It says welcome to the ugly Christmas sweater season. We've seen this one, $18. And I got a comment about me not picking up Hello Kitty because it was made in Japan or something. I don't care where it's made. Like, yeah. If I don't pick up a Hello Kitty or that dog, there's no weird discrimination. Most likely we've seen it before.
Unless it's made in a toilet or something. Yeah. Like,
it was a weird comment. Look at this guy in his sweater, babe. Oh yeah. $12.99. So and I do get, you know, it's hard to film without sharing the same thing, and I really try not to, but I feel like I am. But there's new people coming in all the time, and I always get, why did I pass the Santa? Why did I pass the wreath? How come I didn't show Jesus? And I'm like,
how come you don't touch Christians, Steph?
Yeah.
Are you a witch? Yeah.
$15.99. I'm like, the internet's funny, but it's all.
A lot of it's baiting.
Yeah, but it's weird. But there are people like that. I'm like, this. Anyway, look at the snowman. He's cute.
And I don't care what
A lot of little doggies. Oh, little jingle jangle. We have Snoopy. Oh, look at this guy.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. He should be.
Let me get that for you.
It's right. It's underneath.
Yeah.
Okay, I was hoping it wasn't going to be underneath. I'm like, let's just turn him around.
I was gonna get it. I think.
He is 43.
A lot of freaking glitter.
I know, so much glitter. I actually cut my eye, like the corner of my eye. I think with some glitter.
In it.
Yeah. Okay. Money holders, money. Just think of Mr. Krabs. These are going to be 70. More tags. Oh yeah, that does light up. There's Snoopy. He's cute.
He's, I don't know where the price is. On the bottom, of course. 14.
14 for Snoopy. There we go. So the Grinch is going to be 14 as well. Okay, a lot of tags. We have Penguin, Santa, Let It Snow, stuff for your car. And on this side, it looks like plushies. Yep. The Nutcrackers. The Santa Elf. You know what? I don't think I've seen the Santa Elf in Homegoods yet. 20. I've seen all the other ones, but not the one with Santa. Snoopy's gonna dance. He's gonna shuffle. She is 20. Then this guy is 22. The Grinch, 7. Oh gosh, you guys. Look. Ross dressed for less ornament. You know what? Homegoods doesn't even have one. $5.99. That's funny. Look at more doggy. These are by Blue Sky. These are $5. Wow, 5 for Blue Sky. Look at that little guy. There's also a flamingo in here. Looks like a bell. I don't know. Should be a bell. Flamingo. 5. More of the gingerbread ornament. Nutcrackers. These are $3.99. And we have the Grinch is gonna make music for 20. Oh, maybe not. Just lights up. Thought it had music. That's a cute Santa ornament. $5. Oh yeah, he's winking. We just saw like one with a red. You have donut ornament. The tree. This is $8. Like, you know, if you're look at see in a kid room. $9. A wreath. 23.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry
23 for that. These gingerbread. These are 5. They're 5? No, $5.99, so 6. These are cute. If you're making like a candy tree or gingerbread tree, they're $8.99. Kind of remind you a little bit of Hobby Lobby. And then there's some stuff up here. Oh gosh. Let me pull this one down. It is $10.99. The gingerbread. Let's see the countdown. He is 15. And they have the gingerbread house with the candy cane. I wonder if they're the same price though. Yep, 15. 15. Blanket. And these little bows are 9. There's a red one, not red, like a teal. $15.99. 16 here. And this one, yep, same price. Look at that tree skirt, $25. And over here, all right, you guys. So I think this is gonna do it in this Ross location. Here is a wreath. It is full of pink. We have the pink on it. $22 for this wreath. And then right here, it's kind of cool, actually. 22. So most of the wreath might be 22. I like that. And there's a few more. The tall trees. So this one right here, like the medium one, is 25. The larger one, $29.99, and 25 for the one with like a little garland. And the large, oh, I feel like they're the same price. No price difference on the large and small. All right, I'm trying to walk away from their speaker because I do get copyrighted. Okay, we have a few shower curtains, nutcracker trees, snowman, like a village. Looks like they're $10 right here. And look at this. Oh, he's cute. He is a cute guy in his sweater. 7. The nutcracker. And you have a tree and gingerbread home. Now this one is glass, the heart. That's a cute one actually too. All right, you guys, please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next video.